Crypto bank Sygnum brings on ex-CFTC chief to steer regulatory efforts. Adoption. CFTC. Regulation. The move comes amid Sygnum's push to strengthen its global regulatory strategy as institutional interest in crypto markets accelerates. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Former CFTC chair has joined Sygnum as a senior policy advisor to guide its global regulatory strategy. His appointment comes as Sygnum expands in markets like Singapore and the UAE. Sygnum recently hit unicorn status following a $58 million funding round led by Fulgur Ventures. Sygnum, a Swiss-based digital asset bank, has appointed former U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) Chairman Christopher Giancarlo as a senior policy advisor. The move comes amid Sygnum's push to strengthen its global regulatory strategy as institutional interest in crypto markets accelerates, the firm announced on May 27. Giancarlo, widely known as the Crypto Dad for his regulatory advocacy during his CFTC tenure from 2017 to 2019, joins Sygnum's 12-member advisory council. Giancarlo to guide Sygnum on global crypto policy and partnerships. Giancarlo will advise on international regulatory developments and help the bank build strategic alliances across both public and private sectors. Sygnum stands at the intersection of regulation and innovation, Giancarlo said, noting that the global digital asset space is nearing a critical inflection point in institutional adoption. The appointment comes as Sygnum continues to scale its presence in jurisdictions such as Singapore and the UAE, where digital asset frameworks are evolving rapidly. However, Sygnum CEO Matthias Imbach recently cautioned that Switzerland, long considered a crypto-friendly hub, risks falling behind if it doesn't maintain its regulatory edge. Giancarlo's arrival also comes amid renewed momentum for crypto policy in the U.S. Following Donald Trump's presidential win last November, there's been a marked shift in the tone of crypto legislation. Although Giancarlo was floated for high-level roles in the new administration, including at the SEC and Treasury, he has publicly declined any such intentions. Earlier this year, Sygnum secured $58 million in an oversubscribed strategic growth funding round, propelling its valuation past the $1 billion mark and earning it the prestigious unicorn status. The cornerstone investor for the round's final close was Fulgur Ventures, a venture capital firm with a focus on Bitcoin technologies, alongside new and existing strategic and financial backers. Notably, Sygnum's team members also participated, maintaining majority ownership with the co-founders and board. Bitcoin ETFs attract $1.5 billion in 2 days amid rising institutional demand. Meanwhile, institutional flows into crypto have surged. U.S.-listed Bitcoin ETFs have drawn more than $1.5 billion in just 2 days, reflecting rising demand for regulated exposure to digital assets. The Senate's recent passage of the Genius Act, a bill aimed at establishing national stablecoin regulations, could further accelerate adoption if signed into law. With macro tailwinds, product maturity, and clearer legal frameworks, the environment is becoming more attractive for legacy financial institutions. According to a report from Sygnum Bank, Bitcoin could experience significant price increases in 2025, driven by a surge in institutional investment. The bank said that traditional institutional investors, such as pension and sovereign wealth funds, are beginning to allocate capital to crypto assets, which could trigger substantial demand. The institutional demand is met with a minimal supply of Bitcoin, especially considering a significant portion is held by long-term investors and rarely traded. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sacks as White House AI and crypto czar. Rich Dad Poor Dad author, Bitcoin is the easiest way to get rich. Even 0.01 BTC could be life-changing. SUI just flipped XRP in institutional inflows. What happens next might shock the market. SUI price prediction. Hyperliquid trader James Nguyen exits $1.25 billion long Bitcoin bet at a loss. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $16 billion real estate project goes live on XRP ledger. $500 XRP coming soon? 19 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP holds $2.31 before Memorial Day. Volume decline will reduce institutional activity. Spark rally to $2.75? 2 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? May 13, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By NSS Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By NSS Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024? By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024? By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024? By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.